So the next topic is rationalization. And the question comes like rationalize the denominator. To begin with this topic, I would first ask you few questions. Suppose we have a number like this, 12 upon 15. Now in class 9, if you get a number like 12 upon 15 in the answer, are you going to leave your answer like this?
No, ma'am.
The lowest
No,
form.
ma'am.
We will simplify it more.
Ma'am, we will simplify.
Yes. So you
4
will
upon
be
5.
writing it 4 upon 5. Nobody is going to tell you. Class 6th and 7th, there used to be a question put in lowest form or the simplest form. But now 9th onwards, we don't expect this thing to write in the question. It is very much obvious that the number has to be put in the lowest form. Likewise, children, suppose your answer is coming like this. Are you going to leave it like this?
No,
ma'am.
You will be writing it minus 4 upon 5. You will shift the negative sign in the numerator. And now these are the standard instructions. We don't have to tell you. You have learned this in lower classes and you know this is the standard format of representing the answer. And to make 4 marks, and what is the process in this? In lower classes,
12 upon 15 to 4 upon 5. Ma'am, please explain.
sorry,
Ma'am, please explain how you written 12 upon 15 to 4 upon 5.
in the table of 3 beta, 3 into 4, 3 into 5 by the table
Okay,
of
ma'am.
3, we get 4 by
Okay.
5. Now children, in class 6 or 7, you used to learn like this, that multiply and divide by minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 will become minus 4 and minus 5 into minus 1 will become 5. Right? That is how
Yes,
you
ma'am.
used to do. But now in class 9, if the answer is 4 upon minus 5, you will straight away write minus 4 upon 5. You will not show the process that how it has been achieved. Now, simple way here, same way we will be getting that if we have a rational number in the denominator, irrational number in the denominator, this is not acceptable. We cannot leave irrational number in the denominator. The way we cannot leave negative sign in the denominator, same way irrational cannot be there in the denominator. So that is why the question is rationalize the denominator. इसको denominator को rational number में change करो. Beta, can you tell me by what should I multiply by root 2?
Root 2.
So the answer comes out to be rational.
I'm 0.
Ma'am, root
I'm
2.
0. Root 2.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, root 2.
I'm root 2.
Multiplied by 0,
0.
multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0 only. It is not acceptable. So something other than 0, non-zero number.
Ma'am, root 2. Ma'am, root 2.
Root
Ma'am,
2.
root 2.
Because root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. If you take any number other than root 2, for example, let us take root 3, it will be root 6, which is not rational. So root 2 will be rational only. Yes. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to multiply the denominator by root 2. Now, if we multiply the denominator by root 2, should we be multiplying the numerator also by root 2?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That is
Yes,
how we
ma'am.
learned minus 1 into minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So now what is 1 into root 2? What is 1 into root 2?
Root 2.
Root
Root
2.
2.
And root 2 into root 2 is?
2.
2.
I'm 2.
2.
Yes. So this is the answer. Can you see that now 1 by root 2 is become root 2 upon 2. So the denominator has now become a rational number, right? So that is why this is called rationalizing the
Rationalize the
denominator.
denominator.
Got it, beta? Now, if we have 5 upon root 3, let us see how it becomes. So now this will be 5 upon root 3. By which number should I multiply and divide it?
Root
I'm root
3.
3.
Root 3.
So
we
if
should
we are
multiply with root 3.
yes, and now
5
5
root
into
3.
root
5 root 3 upon 3.
5 root 3 upon 3.
Upon
5 root 3 upon 3.
Beta, please do not keep repeating the answer, please.
Ma'am, is 3 can be cutted?
No. Now, if we have to cut, then why are we multiplying and dividing? Okay, upon 3 root 5. Now, children, before taking up this part, I would like to ask you one question. A simple question. Let's see if you can answer it. I'm just using this side of the board. Suppose we had 4 upon minus 5. So to shift the negative sign in the numerator, we multiplied it only by minus 1 or minus 5 minus 5. Tell me.
Ma'am, we multiplied by
Ma'am, we multiply by -1.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1.
Only
can.
minus. Because our interest is in changing this minus sign. So likewise here, where is our interest? Our interest is in
Ma'am, it is in
Root 5.
Ma'am, root 5.
5.
or
multiply
3
by
root 5. 3 is already rational. We
Ma'am, so we are multiplying only root 5.
we want to get rid of. We
Root
should
5.
multiply and only by root 5 beta. 3 is rational. We don't have to bother ourselves for this. The some number is root 5, so we have multiplied. Let us see. So
Ma'am,
7
is equal
into
to ma'am,
root 5 becomes 7.
7 root 5
upon
ma'am,
15.
And root 5 into root 5 is
Ma'am, 5
5.
5.
equal to
this
15.
3 is also
15.
there. This 3 is also there. So 3 into 5.
3 into 5, 15.
7 root 5 upon 15.
Very good. 7 root 5 upon 15. 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now, children, in these questions, just see if we are following the previous method, that is, we are multiplying and dividing by root 3. Let us see what happens. Numerator will become 1 into root 3 as root 3. But what will happen to the denominator?
Ma'am,
2
it
will
will
be
become 2
multiplied
root
by-
3 plus 3.
Yes. And root 3 into root 3?
3.
Ma'am, 3.
Right. So, children, is it helping our purpose? Is it helping us?
No,
Root
ma'am.
3
No,
is
ma'am.
changing position. It's not helping. So that means this way it is not going to work. It's not going to work. So here we have a different method for such numbers where we have plus sign or minus sign. Wherever we have plus or minus sign, what we are going to do is we are going to multiply and divide by 2
2
minus root 3. I'll tell you why. If it is plus, we will multiply and divide by minus. If it is minus, we will multiply and divide by plus.
Ma'am,
This is a plus b beta. A plus b, a minus b become.
A square minus B square.
plus B square minus.
है ना? So that means in the numerator we shall have 1 into 2 minus root 3, which is 2 minus root 3. And in the denominator we shall have a plus b, a minus b, is a square minus b square. That means 2 square minus root 3 square. So now we are hitting on the target. Now we are hitting on the target. Because what is the square of root 3?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 3.
And what is the square of 2?
4.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4.
So this is 2 minus root 3 upon में 4 minus 3. And what is
Yes,
4
ma'am.
minus 3? What is
One.
4 minus 3?
One.
One.
Ma'am, the answer will be 2 minus root 3.
Yes. So the answer will be 2 minus root 3. Have we achieved the purpose?
Please explain the last
Yes,
part.
ma'am.
Yes.
How it
Last
convert
part
to
is see. A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. So this is A square is 2 and B square is root 3 square. The square of 2 is 4 and square of root 3 is 3. So 4 minus 3 becomes 1. That is, we are getting rid of irrational in the denominator. That is, acha, why we are taking opposite sign? If you take same sign, suppose आप इसको 2 plus root 3 से ही multiply और divide कर देते हैं. So this will become 2 plus root 3 whole square. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which will equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, and this becomes 4 root 3. So we are still not able to get rid of root 3. So to get rid of root 3, we need to multiply and divide by opposite sign so that we can apply this identity A square minus B square. Okay, something like this. 1 upon root 7 minus 2. So now this should be multiplied and divided by
Ma'am,
Root
it's
7 plus 2.
ma'am,
class.
root 7 plus 2.
Yes, it should be multiplied and divided by root 7 plus 2. So again, applying the property, the identity. In the numerator, it will be root 7 plus 2.